orders. Come here. So here you will manage your all orders in each steps. I have to go back. I have to create more orders so I can give you the more in-depth example. Let me upload. Save file. I will keep it as it is. Employee is down only. I will keep it low. Calculate. Now I will save the code. So you can see here. Okay. Let me. Okay. So now let's go to manage orders. Come to manage orders. Now you can see I have two orders differently. One is low priority, one is high priority. So here the priority orders will be in the topmost always, and the low priority will be the bottom, and the medium will be the middle. You can see that who is responsible for this job also. Now you can see it's now current at pending, but I just approved this order. Okay, it needs to go to production now. So I approved. So this order will go to production. Now John has just started the printing. So I will click on printing. So it's in printing right now. So if it is in post processing, then it will be post processing. Then dispatch is there. So dispatch. And lastly, client received or delivered, just click deliver. Now you can see it just completed the process and it's come down. Now this is order running. So see. So you can just check each step and track all the steps which is happening for this order. So it's very easy to manage your order and you can work as per the priority of the order. Just go back. You can see here status. So this is one code thing. So whenever you come back, you can see the status of that order. So this one is dispatch. This is already delivered. So this is the best part for this manage orders. Hope that you going to like this feature. I am looking for your feedback for this feature. So now let's see the quotation that we have added customers information, company information. So how the PDF you will going to export from this tool, how it will going to look. So just calculate a code and export as a PDF. So you can see here. So you can see here logo is there, your company name, your address, tax details, invoice number, everything is there. So right now status is pending. So whatever the status is there, it will going to say everything will be there, invoice date, inventory, everything. But there will be some more improvement will be going to come soon. So this is how you can do it. The client info is not there, so let me add the client info. Let me select client, calculate code, clear. So here you can see that my company info is there, the customer details are there, the date of delivery view and everything is there. So the cost is calculated. So this is how the invoice export PDF will going to look. So soon there will be more updates on this part. Also you can see that I have updated the license. GNU AGPL version 3 license is now under this tool are developed. So you can go and read all the details. It's open source. And for security and privacy concerns, so this is totally secured tool. No data is stored on external server or neither this tool collect your data. So this is totally stored at your local web browser. And this is very safe to use. All privacy is there. This is best tool for your corporate or a company. There is no privacy concerns for this tool. So finally we have covered all the features. So we have covered lots of today about these all new features of PolymagicPrice version 1.3. For your machines, depreciation formula to tie inventory, deduction logic, you have now the tool to run data-driven 3D printing business. Before you go, run through your final thoughts, checklist. So this tool, PolymagicPrice, is designed to empower your growth, your business, your profit. So just start using this tool, get your settings dialed in and start quoting with confidence that every cent is accounted for this. Do you think this new update will change how you price your prints? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for joining this masterclass. Now go build something and make your profit. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye.